Hello and welcome once again to the Rugged Rockhound. Let's get some more stuff cut open using the nice big saw we got over there. Yeah, I'm excited. Let's see what we can find today. Starting this one off with some Levan black agate. This was a nice big piece and very nice. It's really nice, these pieces that include the host rock, because then it adds so much to it. That is really nice stuff. This big chunk of red agate from the San Rafael swell. And yeah, we got some in there. Not a lot, but it is nice. Next up, a really big jasper nodule. There's this crack that's running through it, and that crack actually broke right here, so those two pieces separated. And all right, I think that might be a little bit of celestite right there. Doesn't quite have as blue of a color, but I think it is still material. And then probably some selenite in there as well. Interesting piece. Some more of the red agate from Levan area. I know I've been kind of repeating a lot of things. It's just that's what I've been going through with this stuff so far. We'll get into some of the other stuff as well. And okay, not a lot in this one. A little bit more black there. That's just from the saw. All right, Dugway geode, show us what you got. Yeah, there we go. That's a Dugway geode. That is really nice. That has some good banding in it, this piece. Sweet. Here we have a large piece of the green jasper mixed with agate from the Red Hill that I've been looking forward to cutting. And oh, look at that. That's a beautiful piece. Oh, there's so much going on in that one. That is a nice piece. Another San Rafael swell jasper nodule. But this one had a little bit more interesting stuff going on. And okay, kind of more classic where most of the center fills in with that white quartz. Still cool. So here's this awesome one that had that spray in it. And I thought, you know what? I should cut it because that's probably going to look really cool inside. So yeah, look at that. The spray goes into the chalcedony and agate. Even a little bit of green. And here we have a monster piece of Dugway material. It took me a while to cut this one. Here we go. Oh, okay, that's mostly solid on that end, but that side's really nice. That's more of a thunder egg because it's nicely filled in. There we go. Dugway doesn't disappoint. Very nice. And our last one for today is another San Rafael swell jasper nodule. This one felt hollow, so it's probably got a pocket in it. And oh, those are some nice celestite crystals. Oh, that's a big one. Unfortunately, it fractured because it went from one side to the other, so there was no other way that was going to happen regardless. Oh well. That's a nice nodule. Got all the classic signs and then some nice celestite growing in it. Good find. Yeah, look at those crystals. And that's it for today. There was some really nice stuff in that mix. Oh, I can't wait to cut open more. That was so much fun. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Until next time, remember, there is treasure everywhere.